Ford confirmed today that it intends to restart initial production at the Dagenham Engine Plant in Essex and Bridgend Engine Plant in South Wales from May 18. Together with Valencia Engine Plant in Spain, which also restarts production next week, the resumption of the production at Dagenham and Bridgend means that all of Ford's European manufacturing facilities will be back at work. A limited number of employees have continued to work on company sites in the UK over recent weeks to ensure ongoing provision and critical services. These activities continue to build up on a progressive basis towards more normal business levels. In addition, non-production employees whose roles require specialist equipment only available on site started to return to work in greater numbers from May 4th. Those non-production employees who can work remotely are continuing to do so for the present time.